Presenting the ASUS VivoBook 14. It comes with up to 12 GB, 1x SO-DIMM slot and micro SD card reader, plus 256 GB M.2 NVMe PCIe SSD, 8 GB, 4 GB onboard plus 4 GB SO-DIMM and storage, 1 TB HDD 2.5-inch SATA 5400 revolutions per minute. It has 82% screen-to-body ratio and display, 14-inch LED-Backlit, Full HD 16:9, 220 nits, NanoEdge bezel. It comes with up to 6 hours battery life, 37 WHRS, 2-cell Li-ion battery and note, battery life depends on conditions of usage. It features built-in speaker, built-in microphone and 1x 3.5mm combo audio jack. It also features NanoEdge bezels and anti-glare plane with 45% NTSC. It also features 2x USB 2.0 Type A, Wi-Fi 5, 800 2.11 AC and I/O ports, 1x HDMI 1.4, 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A and 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type C. The delivery box contains laptop and AC adapter, user guide and manuals. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.